Morning, sir.
Good morning, Mukesh Dagar. So all together, Khushi, Ridhima, again Khushi, then Gitanjali, Yatiksha, Chakshu. So girls are so sincere. So you can see always in all the classes. See, इसमें some 70% that strength is of girls. So boys, you should learn from these girls how they are, or in which way they are sincere and even obedient. ज़्यादातर strength girls की है. And even they are on the top also. You should have that competition with the girls. Neck to neck काफी बच्चों की competition है इसके अंदर. So that provide one sort of competitive atmosphere. ज़्यादा अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं तो उनमें competitive atmosphere create हो जाता है और that will help the student in many ways. Well, before these holidays, that's summer break that was given to you. Before that, we have completed our natural vegetation. So this chapter is quite important. Many questions that can be framed, that will be 1 mark, or that is objective or even subjective questions. And by this time, many sincere students, they must have completed their even making of note process. That notes also they must have prepared. That is very good habit. If students are doing their work parallelly or on the same at the same time, whenever the syllabus is going on, mostly students what they are doing their written work also along with that. Parallelly, that work is being done by many students. So that is good sign of your and as well as teachers' health. So let me have some recap, or rather some keep memory if you are having, that I will see. Okay, Ritika, you tell me the names of some migratory birds which are coming during the winter season in India from different part of the world. Any example, name of the birds, migratory birds that if you can tell, Ritika. I believe you are getting me, Ritika. If you are getting me, just reply. Don't waste our time. Ritika, this is big problem in the classes.
Sir, please repeat the question.
Question. Name of migratory birds which are coming in our country during the winter season and going back after winter or the finishing of winter season. Some migratory birds name. Okay, Sumit. Sumit, you tell me.
Siberian crane.
स्लो मोशन में क्यों बोल रहा है तू? साइबेरियन क्रेन्स. ओके, देन okay, then flamingo also. So Sia, you tell me in which part mostly these migratory birds are coming, in which part of our country mostly? Sia, if you can tell me the answer. Okay, that means not interested. Okay, Ridhima, that hand I can see in the air. Ridhima, you tell me.
Sir, the run of Kutch.
Very good. Run of Kutch area in Gujarat. Okay, Priya also raised her hand. Very good. That means in the run of Kutch, जो गुजरात के अंदर run का जो area है, in that these birds are mostly coming and spending their good time and going back after winter. Well, then okay. Tejas Gujar, you tell me, when was the Wildlife Protection Act that started. Wildlife Protection Act was started in India in which year?
So implemented or started?
Okay, the whole that is implemented. Both are
Sir,
same. Okay.
yes, sir, 1972.
Good, good. That is 1972.
It was the Wildlife Protection Act.
Yes, same Wildlife Protection Act. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Okay, then some sort of precautions or not precautions, some sort of you can say steps taken by the government to protect wildlife. हमारी जो वाइल्ड लाइफ थी उसमें सम प्रोजेक्ट्स वर स्टार्टेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ आवर कंट्री. कौन कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स स्टार्ट किए गए थे? रितेश दहिया, यू टेल मी which were the projects started by our country or our government in the country to protect wildlife. Yes, Ritesh Daya. Not interested? Okay, Surbi, you tell me.
So 14 biosphere reserves have been set up by the government, and Project Tiger, Project Rhino, and Indian Bustard. Many other projects were set up by the government.
Okay,
And
okay.
sir, 103 national parks and 500 wildlife sanctuaries and other zoo were set up by the government.
Very good. That you have completed the complete answer. So in that case, initially the 14 bioreserves were set up by our government, but now that number is increased. That is, you can say 18. So right now, total 18 bioreserves are there in India. Out of that, 4 are at world level. That is included in the World Heritage list. इसमें ये जो 4 हैं वो these are very important also out of 18. Then comes our next chapter. So इस chapter के जिसने questions answers कर लिए हों, that is very good, you can say habit. Otherwise after that today even I will give that home assignment of that chapter. So you can do at your own. Don't be in again panic. Don't be in hurry to complete that assignment. You can take your own time, but not like you should take 15 minutes altogether. No, sorry, 15 days altogether to complete that. तो ये कोशिश करना थोड़ा टाइम से हो जाए तो that will be good for you. So now next chapter, that is again lengthy chapter and even important also, that is climate. So climate, if we talk about the climate, or rather before that we should know that we are having different seasons in our country. In some particular season we are wearing woolen clothes. In some of the region we can say we are wearing cotton. In some of the season we receive a lot of rainfall, and in some of the seasons we are feeling some sort of pleasant weather. So these activities we must have all the human beings, they are observing, or rather they are just having that practice of these type of activities. So how these activities are happening in our country? Not only in our country, everywhere you will see the different type of these type of activities that are observed in our country.
So your voice is not clear.
Okay. That
So
means
you are not audible.
yes. I can see there is some problem in network. Okay. Okay, now it seems to be still you are facing problem.
No,
Is
so
it
now it is clear.
okay? Now that is because of network. I could see that on my laptop also. Okay, that these type of problems if you are facing, then you must tell, because in some cases it is happening with some students only, those who are having network problem at their end. So if this problem is common, then you must tell me then and there. Okay. So in that continuation, we must know that how these different activities are happening and how we are feeling these type of things, that sometimes we are feeling cold, sometimes we are feeling quite hot. So in this regard, we will discuss in detail about these seasons and different activities in particular seasons, and how does it happen also, how the rainfall process, how the monsoon that is received in our country by or with the help of many activities. So these things we will see in this chapter in detail. So first of all, we should know the difference between weather and climate. See, both the activities, these are having some elements, some common elements, but there is a lot of difference between weather and climate. Many intellectuals, they are also having the wrong conception of climate and weather. Suddenly, you will say that here, what is this? Climate खराब हो गया. यार कैसा climate हो गया? But actual, in this regard, if we are saying suddenly किसी कैसा हो गया, the climate कैसा हो, in place of climate, we must see that weather is coming into existence in this way. Weather खराब होता है, not climate. Climate is fixed. So with this, both the definition, it will be quite clear. That what is climate and what is weather. So in this case, if we talk about the climate is the sum of weather conditions and variation of a long area or of a large area for a long period. What is climate? Climate is that can be defined as the sum of weather conditions and variations of a large area for long period, and that period is considered even more than 30 years. What does it mean? Of a particular large area, the weather conditions are changing, or even observed the variations also for a long period. Even that period is more than 30 years. That type of activities that are observed for more than 30 years, and then it is fixed that that is a climate of a particular place. Means, see, every time in the particular month there is a heavy rainfall, and there may be little variation. Means in the morning it may not any rainfall, but in the evening or in the afternoon that will be received by that particular area, because that climate is like that only, and that was observed for more than 30 years. So that is the definition also, sum of total weather conditions of a large area for a long period. Whereas weather, how weather can be defined? Weather, that is the state of atmospheric condition of a place at any point of time. At any point of time means that is happening for a short period, not a long period. In case of climate, that weather conditions were for more period, and that is for long period. That period is more than 30 years. Whereas in weather, it is the, you can say, state of atmospheric conditions of a place, of a small place, we can say, at any point of time. And that any point of time is maybe that is for one day, for a week, and even for a month also. Okay, so that is the main difference between that weather and climate. So that is very very important in the case कि जो weather होता है वो क्या होता है and even जो climate होता है क्या होता है. Climate is observed for more period and elements are same. Elements are same in this case. Then comes question arises that what are the elements of climate and
Sir,
weather.
audible.
Sir, your voice
Your voice is not clear.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Sir, your voice is not.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not clear.
Okay. Now it will improve. It will improve, no doubt in that. Okay, now is it okay? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, then I was discussing about the elements of climate and weather. So this is also one mark question, good question, and many times it is asked that why, because that means elements are common for both, and elements are like temperature, pressure, then rainfall, humidity, wind. These are the elements of climate and weather. As I said, elements are common in the climate as well as weather. So that you should write temperature, atmospheric pressure, then again humidity, then wind and precipitation. So precipitation again, this word is coming, and I described this part in one of the class. So Vedant will tell me what is precipitation. Vedant.
Sir, rainfall.
Only rainfall? Yes, Subham. Tell me about precipitation. Shubham Yadav. See, if you are listening to me regularly or even consistently, then why don't you reply at the same time? You are simply keeping quiet. I cannot say that you are not getting me. If you are getting me, then you should reply. Or you can say you should pass by saying I don't know. Okay. So one of the mic is on. I think Vedant, you can mute your mic now. Okay, Lokesh Gujar, you tell me about the precipitation.
Any kind of weather condition where something falls from sky called precipitation.
Any kind of weather conditions. See, the forms, different forms of water, coming from the sky. That is in the form of rainfall, snowfall, then hailstorms, and even sleet. So these are the different form of water, and that is known as precipitation. So which are the elements? That is temperature, humidity, or you can say water vapors available in the atmosphere, then atmospheric pressure, winds, and precipitation. So these are the elements of this climate and weather. Then comes on the basis of different even basis or in different you can say atmospheric conditions, we divide our this complete system into 4 seasons, and that season we will see. हमारे seasons में winter, summer, rainy, and retreating monsoon. That we will see in detail. So first we should know about the monsoon. So monsoon जो word है, that monsoon word, it is derived from an Arabic word mausim, M-A-U-S-I-M. So this is the basically Arabic word from where we have derived this from Arabic word or Arabic language. That meaning, literally meaning is that is season. But again, if we define the monsoon, this is very important question. Ki how we define that monsoon word, and in this definition only, if we are understanding the meaning of or concept of this definition, the concept of monsoon, how monsoon is arrived in India, that concept will be quite clear with this definition itself. So how we can define this monsoon? Monsoon is the seasonal reversal in the wind direction in a year. How we can define it? It is defined as the seasonal reversal of wind direction or in the wind direction in a year. Why we are adding in a year? Because this is happening in 1 year only. Every time it is not happening. That is the reversal of the wind direction in a particular season. So इसी definition से हम इसका बहुत बड़ा meaning निकाल सकते हैं. The seasonal reversal means in a particular season. In a particular season, the wind direction is something different, and in the another season, that is totally changed, reversed, उल्टी हो जाती है. Suppose, for example, we say that during the winter season in our country, the winds are blowing from north part to south part, and that winds are cold winds. तो जो north से south में जाती है, that time we can say that wind direction is from north to south. But after summer season, this direction is changed, that is from south to north. So that is a complete reversal in that particular season, and that season is, we call it rainy season. So after summer season, that wind direction is completely changed, because in winter season, what I said, the wind direction was that is from north to south, and after summer season, and that was completely changed. और वो चेंज कैसे होता है? बेसिकली अगर हम देखें तो temperature, that temperature is having correlation, or that is correlated to pressure. तो temperature होता है that is inversely proportional to pressure. Means if temperature is more, pressure will be less. That is the meaning of inversely proportional. That you know better in you are all math students. So in that case, if we say that temperature is inversely proportional to pressure, it means in a very simple way, if temperature is more, pressure will be less, and if temperature is less, pressure will be more. So ये फॉर्मूला अगर हम लगाते हैं, ये फॉर्मूला अगर हम इस मॉनसून वाली डेफिनेशन में लगाते हैं कि how in winter season winds are blowing from north to south, because at that time temperature in north part of our country is less. सर्दियों में देखा होगा टेम्परेचर क्या होता है, कम होता है comparatively if we compare with south part, और नॉर्थ पार्ट को हम साउथ पार्ट से कंपेयर करेंगे, देन इन विंटर सीजन इन नॉर्थ पार्ट टेम्परेचर इज लेस, सो प्रेशर विल बी मोर. दिस वेरी सिंपल फंडा कि इन नॉर्थ पार्ट इन विंटर सीजन हमारा जो नॉर्थ पार्ट है, वेयर वी आर लिविंग राइट नाउ, नॉर्थ पार्ट में सर्दी ज्यादा होती है, और दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ टेम्परेचर इज लेस. तो टेम्परेचर लेस होगा तो हमने फॉर्मूला में क्या अभी पढ़ा था, it is inversely proportional to pressure. That means temperature is less and pressure will be more. Whereas in south temperature is more comparatively. हम अगर देखें तो सर्दियों में हमारे यहाँ ठंड होती है और साउथ में that equable वो होता है, equable क्लाइमेट होता है। दैट मीन्स जो नॉर्थ में जो टेम्परेचर होता है उससे टेम्परेचर ज्यादा होता है। दैट मीन्स इफ टेम्परेचर इज मोर, प्रेशर विल बी लेस। इज इट क्लियर? नॉर्थ में विंटर सीजन में क्या था, जो टेम्परेचर था वो कम था और उसकी वजह से प्रेशर दैट वाज हाई, प्रेशर ज्यादा हो गया। और नीचे साउथ में क्या था, टेम्परेचर दैट वाज मोर एंड अल्टीमेटली प्रेशर विल बी लेस। अब एक सिंपल सा फॉर्मूला है, जो विंड जो होती है वो कहां से कहां बहती है, हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की तरफ बहती है। अब हमने क्या प्रूव किया है, दैट इन नॉर्थ पार्ट प्रेशर इज हाई एंड इन द साउथ पार्ट प्रेशर इज लो। तो हवाएं कहां से कहां बहेंगी सर्दियों में, नॉर्थ से साउथ की तरफ बहेंगी। बट इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, अगले स्टेप में हम क्या प्रूव करेंगे कि हाउ द विंड डायरेक्शन इज चेंज आफ्टर चेंजिंग द सीजन। अब गर्मी आती है, तो हमारे यहाँ अभी गर्मी में क्या चल रहा था, टेम्परेचर शूट अप टू इवन 50 डिग्री। गर्मियों में क्या होता है, समर सीजन में हमारे नॉर्थ पार्ट में बिल्कुल टेम्परेचर हाई चला गया। अब टेम्परेचर हाई जाएगा देन प्रेशर विल बी लो। हमारे फॉर्मूले के हिसाब से क्या हो गया, टेम्परेचर जैसे ही शूट अप करेगा मींस हाई हो जाएगा टेम्परेचर, तो प्रेशर विल बी लो। अगेन इफ वी मूव टू साउथ, अब साउथ में अगर हम चलते हैं तो कंपैरेटिवली, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया था, वहां गर्मी और न तो ज्यादा गर्मी होती है न ही ज्यादा सर्दी होती है, इक्वेबल मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट होता है वहां का। सो इन दैट केस जो अपना नॉर्थ में जो टेम्परेचर है 50 डिग्री होता है, वहां पर 30-35 डिग्री के करीब होता है। दैट मीन्स दैट इज लेस देन नॉर्थ पार्ट। अब नीचे टेम्परेचर अगर कम है तो प्रेशर दैट विल बी हाई। एकदम उल्टी सिचुएशन होगी, सर्दियों में जो सिचुएशन थी उसका उल्टा हो गया अभी गर्मी के बाद में। दैट मीन्स इन साउथ में क्या हो गया, प्रेशर दैट इज हाई और नॉर्थ में प्रेशर दैट इज लो। अब हवाएं कहाँ होंगी, एकदम उल्टी हो जाएंगी, साउथ से नीचे से हवाएं ऊपर की तरफ बहेंगी और वही जो हवाएं होती हैं वही हमारे मॉनसून रेनफॉल को लेके आती हैं। कहाँ से लेके आती हैं, फ्रॉम इंडियन ओशन। क्योंकि साउथ की बात करें तो नॉट ओनली इन साउथ, वो इक्वेटर के आसपास का जो एरिया है दैट इज ऑल्सो हैविंग हाई प्रेशर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम। तो ये जो मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट इसलिए समझाया कि दैट कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू अंडरस्टैंड इन योर फर्दर सेगमेंट। आगे आने वाले जो सेगमेंट्स हैं उनमें ये कॉन्सेप्ट ही ज्यादातर काम करेगा कि हाउ दैट सीजनल रिवर्सल ऑफ विंड डायरेक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन ए ईयर। और जैसे मैंने अभी बताया था कि इन ए ईयर जरूरी ऐड करना है, बिकॉज ये जो एक्टिविटी होती है ये एक साल में एक ही बार होती है। हमारे कंट्री में क्या है, या कहीं पर भी हम देख सकते हैं कि मॉनसून की जो रेनफॉल आती है, रेनी सीजन में जो रेनफॉल आती है दैट इज कमिंग इन द पर्टिकुलर ईयर, एक ही बार आती है ये। सो इसलिए ये जो डेफिनेशन है, इस डेफिनेशन को अच्छे से इसका कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया, दैट विल बी क्वाइट क्लियर हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट इन दिस चैप्टर। सो again I will describe that monsoon it refers to seasonal reversal in wind direction in a year। seasonal reversal अभी जो समझाया कि सर्दियों में कैसे ऊपर से नीचे मींस नॉर्थ से साउथ में हवाएं बहती थी, एंड आफ्टर दैट चेंजिंग ऑफ दैट सीजन, गर्मी जैसे ही आई थी, गर्मी के बाद में क्या हो गया, वो पूरा का पूरा विंड सिस्टम है वो चेंज हो गया। दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फॉर्मूला टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर। और इस चैप्टर में पूरा खेल टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर का ही है। ये दोनों ही हमें बार बार सुनने को मिलेंगे और कहीं पर कम होगा, कहीं पर ज्यादा हो जाएगा, उसी से ये वेरिएशन आते हैं। सो दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी क्लियरली एंड that you will be able to understand and you will be able to explain maximum terms and maximum that mechanism in this chapter। तो ये अच्छे से समझ में आएगा अगर ये जो डेफिनेशन है यही अच्छे से समझ में आए। आई डोंट थिंक दैट इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है how that seasonal reversal that is taking place in our country, that should be quite clear. So do you agree with me? Yes, students. I think this definition of monsoon, how that seasonal reversal is taking place in a particular year, that should be understood by all the students by this time. If not, then let me know. मैं फिर से ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट है इसको फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ अगर समझ में नहीं आया हो तो. Yes. Should we continue or again I should explain this definition?
So please explain this again.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, again, I also want that this should be understood in a very distinct way. एकदम clear समझ में आना चाहिए. और it is very simple also. See, इसका पहले दो वर्ड हैं seasonal reversal. एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन के आने से जो विंड डायरेक्शन है वो चेंज होती है, दैट इज ओनली मॉनसून. और वो चेंज कैसे होती है? दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टू फैक्टर्स, दैट इज टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. एंड व्हाट आई टोल्ड अबाउट दैट रिलेशन ऑफ टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर, टेम्परेचर इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रेशर. That means if temperature is more, pressure will be less, and even in the reverse way, temperature is less, then pressure will be more. So during the winter season, in north part we know that temperature is less, so pressure will be more. अभी मैंने फॉर्मूले से क्या बताया, टेम्परेचर अगर कम है तो प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा, and same thing that is happening in north part of our country in winter season. So in this pressure is more in north part, and then we will move to south India. South में अगर हम देखें तो comparatively temperature is more in winter season. इसलिए अगर हम देखें या पढ़ें तो that in south part that climate is equable. Many factors that is coming into influence why that moderate climate is there in the south part of our country. But right now we should know that temperature is more during winter season. So temperature, if temperature is more, then pressure will be less. So in that case, the winds that will blow from north part to south part, because north में pressure high है और south में pressure low है. But in the summer season what happen कि जो north part है, जो धरती का मेन पार्ट माना जाता है, मीन्स अपना जो लैंड पार्ट है वो जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है और जल्दी ही ठंडा होता है. ये एक फैक्टर आता है कि ड्यूरिंग दैट समर सीजन हाउ दैट लैंड पार्ट इज गेटिंग हीटेड अप और उसमें टेम्परेचर हाई हो जाता है. सो टाइम इज गोइंग टू बी ओवर, सो बीच में रह जाएगा, इसलिए वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. डोंट गो एनीवेयर, यू शुड ज्वाइन. आई विल सेंड द नेक्स्ट लिंक. So by the time you can leave and wait for another link. Okay. So now I will see that some more students they will join, and then I will make the arrangement. By the time in the last session in the very good. This should be the spirit. Pura Josh, full that Priya is with the full Josh. क्या था प्रिया ये? Yes students, could you listen that sound? ये किस टाइप का चिल्लाना था, क्या जोश था ये? I don't know, but still never mind, ये हो जाता है कभी कभी. So ये पार्ट, एक आधा पार्ट समझ में आ गया कि how that during winter season wind is blowing from north part to south part. Is it clear? Then as I said, that is in the during summer season. Summer season में what happened? Earth, क्या हो गया प्रिया को? Yes students, you are also getting that sound?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Priya.
Yes, sir.
If there is any problem, you should mute your mic, and I think they should not create this sound. Okay. So during that summer season, so the earth part, the land part is getting heated up because of that there is a shift of apparent movement in the sun. So sun hai, just that we have seen that how that sun is shifting from its original place during the different season. गर्मी में सूरज कहाँ से राइज करता है और कहाँ सेट होता है, that we must have seen practically also. So same thing happened in this process also. During summer season, that sun apparent movement that is shifted towards north side, और north side में जब उसका sun का apparent movement shift होता है, so in that case sun rays are just heating up that land part in the north part of our country. So जो land part है, जैसे मैंने बताया था, that land part is quickly heated up and even quickly cool down also. जो धरती है या मिट्टी जो होती है वो जल्दी ही गर्म हो जाती है और जल्दी ही ठंडी हो जाती है. That is a you can say feature of land. तो उसकी वजह से what happened during the summer season, that land part is getting heated up and that temperature shoots up to 50 degree even. So the 50 degree means temperature is more, और temperature that is more than pressure will be less. ये हमने अपने फॉर्मूले से इसमें फिट किया, तो that means temperature during the summer season in north part that is more, then ultimately pressure will be less. Then if you move towards south में क्या होता है, जैसे मैंने बताया moderate climate होता है, equable climate होता है, means न ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है न ही ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है. तो comparatively the temperature that is in summer season that is less than north part. अब north से अगर temperature कम होगा, तो that means temperature अगर कम होता है तो pressure will be high. So pressure अगर south में high होगा, then what we have just learned that air or the wind is blowing from high pressure to low pressure. तो जब south में क्या हो जाता है, during that particular period pressure is high, then winds are blowing from south part to north part of our country, and that bring rainfall or water vapors from Indian Ocean. क्यों? क्योंकि गर्मी होती है during that period, because of sun rays, water is getting heated up in the Indian Ocean, और वो जब वाटर वेपर्स ऊपर जाते हैं, that is the condensation is taking place and formations of clouds. उस एरिया में clouds इतने ज़्यादा वाटर वेपर्स के साथ में होते हैं, and the wind है, that wind that is to be blow from south to north, that the wind is bringing these clouds with full of water vapors in India, and that is only monsoon rainfall. तो ये जो monsoon की definition है, this you can say justifying this also कि how seasonal reversal is taking place in India. तो हमारे country का जो climate है, हमारे country का जो climate है, that is better known as monsoonic climate. Why? Because most of the rainfall or most of the changes are taking place because of monsoon rainfall. इसलिए एक नंबर के क्वेश्चन में this is quietly most of the time asked that what type of climate in India we are observing. That is monsoonic climate, because because of monsoon only our climate is being changed every now and then. Then there are variations in temperature and even pressure in our country. Not pressure, actually temperature and rainfall. Lot of variations we can observe, or rather with the help of example, live example, I will explain that how in India there is a lot of you can say variation in temperature and rainfall. So example, for that example, if we take the example of two part, that first part in the case of temperature, अगर temperature की बात करें तो in you can say summer, in summer any day you can take, let it be in the month of May, take the example of 15th May. If we will observe the temperature in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, that is Thar desert, there we will see that temperature is almost around 50 degree. But on the same day, if we see the temperature in Kashmir Valley, take the example of Pahalgam. Pahalgam, that is one of the place where we can see that during that particular day, we observe that 50 degree temperature in Jaisalmer, and in India only, that is the place, that is Pahalgam, that we can say temperature will be around 20 degree. So this is the big difference. In a particular place in Jaisalmer in India, that is in Rajasthan, we say that temperature in one particular day, that is 15th May, that is around 50 degree, and on the same day, the Pahalgam in Kashmir Valley, the temperature is around 20 degrees. So that is the variation in temperature. Not even this temperature at a particular place. Say again, take the case of Jaisalmer. During the day and night, there is a lot of difference in temperature. During the day and night itself, on the same day. Again, take the case of 15th May. Day temperature is observed 50 degree, whereas night temperature in the same Jaisalmer, we will see that temperature is around 15 to 20 degree, and that is practically we are observing. Why? Because that again बालू रेत जो सैंड होती है वो बाकी जमीन से जल्दी गर्म होती है और जल्दी ही ठंडी होती है. That we can observe in राजस्थान में हम जो बालू रेत होती है वो बहुत जल्दी गर्म होती है और जल्दी ही ठंडी हो जाती है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट टेम्परेचर वेरिएशन दैट इज ऑन द सेम डे इज क्वाइट मोर. डे टेम्परेचर होता है 50 डिग्री और नाइट में टेम्परेचर हो जाता है दैट इज अराउंड 20 डिग्री. सो दैट टर्म इज नोन एज ड्यूरनल टेम्परेचर. DIURNAL. That term you should write if you are having pen and pencil. इसमें क्या लिखना है? That a particular variation in a particular place in a particular day, that is more, and that you can explain that example of that is जैसलमेर कि उसमें दिन का टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री होता है और रात का लगभग 20 डिग्री के करीब आ जाता है. सो दैट सिस्टम इज नोन एज और दैट वेरिएशन इज नोन एज ड्यूरिनल टेम्परेचर. तो ये एक नंबर में पूछा जाता है कि व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय ड्यूरिनल टेम्परेचर. DIURNAL. ये जो टेम्परेचर है ये होता है कि एक ही जगह का एक ही दिन में इतना वेरिएशन ड्यूरिंग डे एंड नाइट. सो दैट वी कैन सी इन Jaisalmer. So with that, I think time is over. So we should leave the meeting, and by that parallelly we should, or rather you should prepare for your next NTSC test also. तो मैंने बताया था जो 1 to 3 माइनर जो टेस्ट है that syllabus you should cover parallelly because you don't have time. जो टाइम मिलेगा उसमें तुम्हें ये तैयारी करनी है पैरेलली व्हाट वी आर कैरिंग आउट आवर सिलेबस. तो इसके लिए आई विल स्टार्ट सेंडिंग दैट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. So you whatever you are having material you should prepare with that also, and whatever I will send that also you should take help of that material. Okay, so anything else from your side? You want to say anything? Yes. If no, then you can leave the meeting. Bye bye for the day. God bless you. Thank you for joining and listening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you are always welcome.